Welcome. If you want to get LED keyboard on your Alcatel One 2019, for the first you have to go for the Play Store. Right now tap on the search pool and type here LED keyboard. We have to get this application from the ZASIC Studio. So let's go for it. Right now we can open. Click enable. Tap on the switcher. Click OK 2 times on the both notifications, then just go back, click select, switch to our LED keyboard. And right now we are in the application of this keyboard and we can select our favorite theme. And I'm going to show you this one, Unlimited. It's my favorite. So after you go for this theme, you have to tap on the save keyboard. And after that, we can enter the website. I mean the application when we are going to use our keyboard. So let's go for the messages. Oh, sorry, there's some kind of the notifications about the launcher because in the previous video I changed the launcher. But never mind, let's go for the messages. And just open the chat. And as you can see, right now we got our new LED keyboard on the Alcatel One 2019. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.